everyone, this is Mo from Set Your Campaign. In this video I'm going to answer 4 questions that people usually have when they are visiting Set Your Campaign website or SYC Tracker page. What is SYC Tracker? What it does? How to install and run? Why should I buy SYC Tracker? SYC Tracker is a web-based tracker that affiliates and online sellers can use to test, track and optimize media buys, Facebook ads, CPV and more to get the most out of their campaigns. It's self-hosted tracker, so you can install it on your own web server and your own domain name. It's unlimited, so you can run as many campaigns as you want. And also it's unmetered, so you won't be charged by how much thousands of impressions you get. And it's lifetime license, so you only pay one time. What it does? With SYC Tracker you can track unlimited keywords, ads, email messages, landing pages and offers. You can optimize traffic by getting rid of low conversion or impression keywords and ads. You can integrate SYC Tracker with any type of landing pages, WordPress landing pages, static landing pages and ClickFunnels design pages as well. With SYC Tracker you can set up simple campaigns like direct link and landing page campaign, or complex like multiple levels and multiple offers campaign. SYC Tracker has a built-in enterprise class mobile data with over 30 data points including browser, carrier, content support and device data. It has automatic weekly detection update just to make sure that you are always up to date with what's on the market. With SYC Tracker you can track over 20 conversion revenue metrics and custom tokens for additional data from traffic sources, shopping carts or CRMs. SYC Tracker has geostates which can help you to identify top performing locations with one click into any location to view its detailed performance report. It has mobile audience filters and conditional redirects. It has also time and day trends of heat maps which let you actually say day parting opportunity and drill down into the most profitable trends by keywords, pages and offers with just a few clicks. SYC Tracker supports all pixel and post-pack formats including ClickBank, instant notifications, URL version 4.0 and version 6.0. It has optimization profiles which help you to take actions based on your own goal standards. How to install and run SYC Tracker? You need a Linux-based hosting server. We recommend VPS or dedicated hosting, but you can use shared hosting however. That hosting server should meet some install requirements which most of hosting provider companies support. The install process is pretty easy and it's just a sequence of steps to follow in the install guide. For how to run and how to use SYC Tracker, you can always check user's guide which provides full details with screenshots for each function and setup type. Also, you are more than welcome to contact SYC Tracker support team anytime you have questions or inquiries through SYC support portal. Why should I get SYC Tracker? It's self-hosted. You don't need to have all your campaign states recorded on third-party servers. It really helps you to get the most out of your campaign. It's easy to use and it has friendly interface. You don't need to have any coding skills to use SYC Tracker. It's compatible with all ad, traffic and offer networks. It's the cheapest ever, $99 for lifetime license. Anytime during 30 days since purchase date you feel unhappy, uncomfortable about SYC Tracker, we offer 30 days no questioning money back guarantee. Just hit a help desk ticket through support portal and our team will refund your money instantly. Last thing is, do not forget to check Set Your Campaign and SYC Tracker pages for Christmas offer. Thank you.